Welcome to Bglam Hair Studio, your one-stop shop for superior human hair wigs for both men and women. At Bglam, we understand that hair loss can affect confidence and identity. Our range of high-quality wigs offers the perfect solution, giving you a natural look while keeping your scalp healthy. Our men's hair wigs provide a convenient, non-surgical and cost-effective way to restore your look. These wigs are easy to wear, adaptable for any lifestyle, and come in a variety of styles. For women experiencing hair loss or thinning, our women's hair wigs are an excellent choice. Available in an assortment of styles, wearing these wigs can protect your natural hair while enhancing your beauty. We offer many types of wigs including full lace, lace front, monofilament, hand-tied, and more. Each type has its unique benefits, catering to different needs and preferences. Before choosing a wig, consult with our professional stylists. They will guide you to the right size, style, and material that suits you best, ensuring a comfortable and natural look. Whether you're looking to regain your confidence or simply want to switch up your style, Bglam Hair Studio is here to help. Come visit us today and transform your look with our range of high-quality hair wigs.